This carabiner somehow got stuck in here by us, like last week, right?
By us, you mean by you?
Well, you're the fat ass that really got it jammed in there. It went in easy.
What? Ah, fuck!
Do you hit your thumb?
Yeah.
I knew that was gonna happen to one of us.
Spinner's gonna be so fun.
Yeah, I mean, it might be more of a trophy than a useful item at this point.
I feel like you bashed it down to the
Oh
end,
yeah,
so
I
it's
totally
definitely moved.
Oh, totally.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Don't fuck this up.
Oh!